Hey, I'm Brian, and welcome to the Sixth Gear Garage. I work on all types of vehicles and projects here. Trucks, cars, imports, domestics. Doing everything from regular maintenance, to modifications, to some downright weird stuff. I'll normally show you the right way to do something. But every now and then, you'll see us do something that we don't recommend you do in your garage. I also upload some videos of these projects as well as other vehicles in action, whether it be on or off-road. I recently moved to a new garage and will be documenting the steps as I transform this blank canvas into my dream garage. So hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest projects and adventures here at the Sixth Gear Garage.